Hello guys, you're welcome to AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. This is another episode. You know what I mean? As a matter of fact, if today is your first time walking into our channel, we say a very welcome to you, and please subscribe, like, share, and click on the notification button so that you can get more of our video. Oh my God, I'm so excited, man. Real talk, you hear me? Fine. And then again, if you're a returning subscriber, don't forget to copy the link and share to those other persons who are going to hear about AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. Come on, because you watching AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. So share for them and let them really have a good time with us too as you enjoy. Okay, I say very thank you to all of you, all of our subscribers, our fans out there. If not for you, there wouldn't be us. There wouldn't be us. You really making this whole thing happening, I say I appreciate you guys. We say big thank you, everybody, me and the team, me and my crew. We say a big thank you to you. It's you making it happening for us, so we appreciate. Okay. A quick one, yeah. For those of you who want to buy a skincare product, like yes, skincare product, you want to buy skincare product or organic ingredient, I tell you, real talk, yeah. We ship everywhere. We have them all. Just name it. Like, just think about it, conceive it in mind, and ask me, AYA Cosmetic, do you have this? I tell you, I have all. Yes, because that is what we know best in doing. Yes, we supply most of the stores you see. Yes, you might be seeing me go check on them time to time, Yes, a lot of you all must have bumped into us in there, in some of those stores. Yes, might be just go check on them. You see AYA Cosmetic? That's it. The other day, some guy saw me at a judge. They said, that's it. I said, real talk, baby. You know what I mean? So that is by the way. So if you want to buy a recipe, fine. Any recipe of organic product or skincare or cosmetic, you can always count on AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. Okay, wherever you are, we ship to you. It's a true solid line. Yeah, the number on your screen you can get to us. Being in US, Canada, Asia country, Europe, just name it, other Africa countries, or UK, even just name it, where are you from? We ship across the world. We global, you know what I mean? Yes, and again, even in Nigeria, wherever you are in Nigeria, we deliver, that's real talk, I tell you. So then again, I tell you, I have a very special package. Although y'all not gonna see me when I'm producing it because I'm not gonna show you this, but it's just a wonderful package. You hear me? So it might be for those of you who say I want to learn how to produce Malawi. I want to learn how to produce Blema oil, Malawi oil. Okay, we say we're about to start. We're about to start it, I love you all. I love you. If not for you, there will be no me. So place your order. And then for those of you who have some on the line, face on the line, on the tone, who have some serious problem, you nervous about it, don't be nervous. Just one word, you can shout me via this number. Shout me, y'all gonna see. We talk about some stretch mark, you want us to really make them go. Oh, trust me. For those of you who wanna, talk to me pertaining some problem, you have some things that we really need to talk about. You can chat me on this number also. Are you getting in? We can treat any kind of blemishes, infection on your body. We can treat them, any kind of them. We can treat them. You want you have eczema, we can flush them off your body. You have any melasma, we can flush them off your body. You stretch mark, we can flush them off your body. We can make you look flawless. Your skin gonna glow. You will know whitening or whatever the problem is. Just shut us up. You have a red face or red skin. We treat them off. We flush them off. All y'all need to do is just connect. Connect to us. Yeah, might be the bill might be high. Don't worry about that. The bill might be high. Yes, that's what we're talking about. Yeah, the bill might be high, but the truth is, how about the problem itself? So y'all can talk to me via this number. A problem share is a problem solved. That is it. So you're welcome to AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. By the time I'm done with the production, I'm going to show you this is how I did it. A little tweak and a little plus minus. Now I'm going to show you. But not, I'm not going to show you. And for those of you who are interested in training, one-on-one training via WhatsApp also, I tell you, retalk, you hear me? You can also contact us. Then again, the bill might be high, but minus the bill being high, but a problem shared is a problem solved. So my one-on-one training on video call, on WhatsApp is a necessity. So dial the number now. I will be right back. Trust me, you're still watching AYA Cosmetic Nigeria, baby. You can check us on our Instagram also. You know what I mean? The only dude who do skincare things, they be saying a lot about me. Yeah, I like that. They say, oh, you do skincare? Why? I've never seen a guy doing this. Yeah. You've never, but now you see one. So really, really, really fantastic. I encourage you to, if you want to go do. All right, let's begin. But the camera is about to go on break, so trust me, we're gonna see after this section. All right, guys, you're welcome back. As a matter of fact, this a quick one I did. I told you for the break we went for and all was done through that avenue. Okay, so like now I just want to make you understand that the Blemmer and Irish. I just want to make you understand that the Irish ladies has its own oils too. So like we did call it different kind of names. People call their own. So Irish ladies also have its own oil too. You can see. Though I put in a video bottle, later I might transfer it from this, so you can see. Yes, this is Irish Snow White Milk. Irish Snow White Milk. Irish Snow White Milk. Go for Irish Snow White Milk. As a matter of fact, this milk you can use it for any of your mixture you want to mix. You hear me? It serves as oil and also is a milk. Also, it's very powerful. Very powerful. You don't need anything like you want to use something like just use this. Use this. These are the things that really activate the Irish cream you hear about every now and then everywhere. Irish lady white, these are the things really empower you. So we have them on. You see this one. As a matter of fact, like honestly, people be contacting me. Your work is powerful. Your work is powerful. I mean, I have a lot of oils. I have because. Now that I would say some people that specialty based on one angle, but we are random. You know what I mean? So the cream we good, cleanser we good, scrub we good, face cream we good. Are you getting any body lotion? We good. Then when it comes to oil, we good. It's like we good. So that is that. I might transfer them from this bottle later. Cause we just did it and I kept them here, so I'm gonna take them from this bottle later. So that is that. So if you're looking for oils to back him on, you can always hit at us. AYA Cosmetic. Nigeria, AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. Check us on our Instagram, AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. But don't forget, I must say this to you. They say my bill is high. Yeah, the bill is high. Just don't go there. The bill is high. But what I say, this stuff is just as it is. as it tastes, we say 100%. It's gonna give you that tone you want. Yeah, you can use them like that. Yes, all my oils, you can use them like that. You know, you don't even need to put them in a cream. But best, because you want to use them to produce for some other reason also, you can put them into, if you want to put them from your soap, you can put them in your soap. If you want to put them in your lotion, you can put them. If you want to put them in a scrub, you can put them. You know, they work hand in hand together. So that's that. If you're looking for a place to buy your skincare product, don't forget AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. You know, we ship everywhere. You know, UK, Asia country, US, Canada. Are you getting it? Even other Africa countries. You know, we ship everywhere. Trust me on this one. Even in Nigeria, we deliver everywhere. Just name it. You see it? So that is that. We sell original of all our items, skincare items, you know, organic products, you know, even the cosmetic, all are original. You know what I mean? So really talk about that. You don't need to worry. It's all about, you know, you having the mindset of being real to the subscribers, you know, because it's not easy. If not for you, there won't be me in here. So I said I appreciate you one more time. Really talk about that. And then again, I want to use this medium of time now to say a big thank you for some people who really want to share their time with me to we talk about like they have some issues like some things you can share with anybody. You think maybe you having some problem on your skin that you can share with anybody, but because you trust in us and you decide to talk to us about it, the number on your screen, you know, yes, because I tell you, we can flush them, all of them out, no matter what the skin. You having a face redness, you having eczema, you having some rashes or whatever, we can treat them, all of you. You understand? We can clear, or if a stretch mark, we clear them off. So don't be nervous about it. Always feel free to shut us up. You know, that is why we in here. You hear me? We be the doctor. So you know, you really need to see right now. You know what I mean? So that is that. You know, AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. Always have that in mind.
Hello everyone, this is to introduce to you the Irish Ladies Body Cream, aka Yellow Sissy. This cream does what it promises, which is to give you an amazing result, a well moisturized skin in 14 days. You heard me right, you can get your uniform skin, yellow undertone, beautiful, amazing skin, better than I am looking in 14 days. What do you have to do? Just call the number on the screen and make your order. We'll ship everywhere to you wherever you are. This is for guys and for females. Make sure you don't miss this. Get your results as you want this year. Thank you.